Good day, good day, good day, good day.
Wonderful day.
Wonderful day. Yes, everybody, as you can see in our title, today we are going to have, or we are going to eat pala. We are going to eat Germany's tropical fruit. Germany's fruits. Fruits that you can find in Germany once a year. I mean, not everything here, guys, is once a year. Some of it lang is once a year. Like Mirabellen.
Usually, all the fruits
Fruits.
which are grown in Germany are seasonal, are only in one
Yeah,
season.
Only in one season, summer, right? This is my first time, and today we went to the market with partner, and of course he has to come with me because he knows this. There are fruits here, guys, na I don't eat, I don't like, and some fruits here are becoming favorite for me. Since I arrived here in Germany, I don't eat these fruits except lang sa blueberries and raspberries and blackberries. So these guys, these are the usually na kinakain ko. But then years goes by, it became normal for me to eat this kind of fruits that we could not get in the Philippines. Of course, there will be but very expensive, so we cannot afford this, right? Well, for the normal people, it's hard to buy this kind of fruits in the Philippines, except apple and orange and grapes, di ba? So I did not include strawberries, cherries, grapes, apples, orange because guys, it's very common naman siya. So what I did now is that it is not common for Filipinos. It is not common for us Filipinos to have this kind of fruits. I am very fortunate to try all these kinds of fruits in my 36 years of age. Charot. Thank you for this opportunity. Ano ba yan? So guys, wait. We have, how many kinds of fruits we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 kinds of fruits we have here in front of us. Of course, we will try and explain to you how the tastes are. So, of course, partner is with me because, when we ask something, this is actually all his favorite fruits.
I also have them in my own garden.
Yes, before guys, 10 years ago, let's say 10 years ago, meron kasi siyang garden and he has like, how many fruits do you have in garden? 20 kinds of fruits in the garden, guys. So he knows how to grow these fruits. That's why he is a master of fruits. Charot. And now, guys, we will, of course, try now. Also, which fruits we will eat first? These two, guys. These two little guys here in front of us. The names of these fruits, guys, is Johannisbeere. In English, that is red and black currant or currant kind of anong. I know already what's the taste of this. It's sour, and then usually they eat it with sugar. So
No, what? We don't eat it raw, only as jam.
So sometimes guys, ginagamit kasi nila to jam. Yeah, so let's try this red one. I can compare this sa atin. Ano ba yung palangalan? We have something like this in the Philippines. First, they will grow like green, red, and then black. But the black is the sweetest there. Green and of course this one. Bugnay ata yun guys in Cebu. Bugnay siya in Cebu. So ganyan siya. That's how it look like, guys. And let's get the black one. So that's how it looks like, guys. Para lang siyang maliliit na grapes. The mini grapes. Parang ganun lang siya, no, di ba? Yan. Parang bugnay ata yun, guys, nung bata pa ako noon eh. Nakalimutan ko na din. So let's taste. Well, of course, ang sour talaga niya. We need sugar with this, but I don't have sugar here. First, let's eat. Yeah. Yeah. Bugnay. May mga maliliit siya na guys, seeds. Yes, bugnay talaga siya. Let's try this is sour also, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Sour. May taste of a little bit blueberries. Yun ang ating dalawang klaseng prutas na I will not eat again. But you know what? We bought so many, guys. So after this, guys, we will make jam each of these fruits. Next. Okay, let's try this. It looks like green apple, guys. The name of this is Renicloda. Green Gage pangalan niya, guys. So hindi ko siya alam. Actually, guys, I have tried this already and I liked it. So meron siyang, ganito natin siya, guys, para we can eat, like, we can do that. Ganyan. So, mayroon siyang buto. So, ganito yung ano niya, guys. Ang bango niya. Smells good. This is sweet siya, guys, actually. Saan ko ba siya i-compare? I can eat this every day. I like it when it's not so soft. Saan ko ba siya i-compare? Sweet and sour siya, guys. I can eat one more. I like it. This one is crunchy. Diba? Para lang din pala siyang plum, guys. Ano ba? Saan ko ba siya i-compare? Let's say sa mango. Indian mango. Yon, parang ganun siya, guys. Pero dapat siya crunchy na Indian mango. Yon. Tapos yung balat niya. Para kang kumain ng hinog na mangga. Hinog ng Indian mango. Tapos with balat, kainin mo. Ganun siya, guys. We will now try the plum. In Germany, this is Pflaumen. Yan yung itsura niya. Related lang to sila, guys. To this. Na ano, yung may buto. Oh. Hindi ko siya manugas kasi nagtutubig. Look. Diba? The taste is similar to this, guys. I also can eat this every day. And if you have problems with obstipation, eat this. Yes, guys. Eat this, then you will have a very, very successful day in the toilet. Sorry. Yes, promise. Yan siya. Diba? Yan yung itsura niya. And now, we will go to... Related lang din to sila, guys. They are also related. Related lang to sila. Mirabelle ang tawag. Mirabelle. Yan yung itsura niya, diba? And masarap to when it's, when it's green. Masarap din to siya. Sikit siya. Meron siyang puno nito, guys. And when it's green, we will eat this usually with salt and sugar. Ang sarap talaga niya, guys. Ang sarap niya. Yeah. They are just related lang talaga, guys. May naalala na ako. Yung balimbing, ano ba yung star apple ata yun? Or sugar apple. Parang ganun siya, guys. Balimbing tawag in Cebuano. Yun. May pagka-similar taste sila. Masarap siya, guys, pag half hinog, tas half masarap. We will now proceed to our next fruit. Ito! Tawag nito in Germany is apricot. This is apricot. Apricot. Kuha tayo na yung mas malaki. Diba? Ito siya. This is apricot. Apricose in Germany. But then, yung texture pala niya, alam niyo yung santol? Yun, yung balat ng santol, parang may, di ba parang may balibo? Ganun siya. Ganyan. But, you can eat this. Makakain siya, guys. Hindi siya hindi ka matutusok or something. Nakakain siya. So, yan yung, yan. Di ba? Yan siya. And let's eat this. It's not sweet. It's like banana. But if you eat it with the skin, guys, meron siyang a little bit of sour. I like this also when it's a little bit crunchy. Kasi, guys, siya, hinog na siya. Alam niyo yung apple na hindi crunchy, tapos medyo may sandy, parang ganon? Yun siya. Actually, nasasarapan ako nito when it's very sweet. But today, no. Next, This one, this is peach. Ang balat niya is same like ano lang siya sa apricot. May pagka feather, may mga ganun, di ba? Pero you can eat the, guys, you can eat the skin of this. And then ito, nectarine. For me, they are just the same lang, guys. Mas makinis lang to. Ito talaga parang hindi ka magdadalawang isip, nakakainin mo pati balat. Ito kasi magdadalawang isip ka, nakakain bang balat nito? Di ba? Pero nakakain talaga siya actually. I want to eat first the nectarine. Oh, hinog. Normally guys, magna-knife tayo, pero walang knife. Let's use with our mouth. Why it's not yellow?
Different kind.
Ah,
The yellow ones are a little sweeter and these little.
hindi siya yellow. Normally it's yellow, guys. Masarap siya pag yellow. And this is another kind pala. I like the yellow ones. Ano lang siya, guys? Ang dami niya para siyang mangga. Para siyang mangga na Yan. Ang juicy. Oh, thank you. Binigyan niya ako ng tissue. Kasi nagkalat naman ako. Ang sarap niya, guys. Masarap siya actually, pero yeah, yun nga. Yung isang klase nito is yung yellow. Saan ko ba siya ma-compare? Yung mangustin na hindi masyado matamis. Ito. Oh my God. First time in my life that I have eaten more than one fruit. I think, guys, I want to eat the peach, the last one. I want to save this for last because this is one of my favorites. Dito na naman tayo sa ating, eto sila. Alam nyo to, raspberries, blueberries, and blackberries. Ito, guys, stachelberry siya tawag niya. Gooseberries pala siya, guys. Unahin natin itong gooseberries because I don't like this. We will eat this first, guys, because I don't really like this. But this partner like this very much.
Yeah.
Yes. So yan yung itsura niya. Yan. So kukunin to, guys. Ito at saka ito. Kukunin siya before nyo kakainin. Iti-taste natin muna. Marakuya, guys. I-open natin kung anong laman kasi may mga buto-buto siya. Madami siyang buto-buto. Yes, para siyang maliit na marakuya because of the texture. Look at this. 'Di ba, guys? Meron siyang ang dami niyang buto na maliit. No. No. I don't like it. Next one is, of course, guys, alam nating lahat, itong blueberries. So, di ba, alam naman natin to. This is also one of my favorite. A little bit sour, but good. That one's sweet. Raspberries.
Okay.
So, raspberries, ang cute. Ang cute ng raspberries, no? I'm not fan of raspberries, but yeah, why not, diba? And this is one of my favorite, guys. Blackberries. Diba? Ang ganda niya. Ang ganda-ganda niya. I remember when we went to your sister's house.
Yeah.
Yung kapatid niya, guys, na babae, ang dami sa likod ng bahay niya. Ang dami nilang ganito. Ang dami talaga. Nangunguha ko doon. Pag nagpupunta ko doon, nangunguha talaga ako nito. Yeah. Ang dami lang niyang buto. Maliliit. In which fruit I can compare? You know, already naman, guys, diba, kung yung anong taste nito, diba? I can eat this every day when it's sweet. But sometimes, blacks are not sweet. Sometimes.
Yeah. It's difficult. When they are soft, they are sweet. But you cannot transport through the...
Yeah, because they are very sensitive.
Yeah.
Very sensitive siya, guys. Ang dali lang niyang pag hinawakan mo sila ng tas ganyan, talaga, oh. Di ba? May na siya. Ang bilis niya, very sensitive talaga siya.
So when you have them in the garden, they are sweet. You can wait until they really just drop in your hand.
Yeah.
And when you buy them, they have to be harder.
Yeah.
So they are
That's why.
sour.
So, natapos na natin. Ang bilis lang, no? No, we have this one. We still have this one. My favorite. But this one, so kakainin natin. Let's open it with a knife, guys. Binigyan tayo ng knife ni partner. Thank you. I mean, nakakain tong balat, ah. Squeeze.
Not so.
And open. So, ayan. Ito yung peach. Actually, guys, yung nectarine, when it's like this, yung laman, yes, it tastes so good. Same din siya sa buto, yung buto niya. Hopefully, it's sweet. Because sometimes, guys, hindi mo talaga siya malalaman, ano. Save the best for last, di ba? Yeah. Sweet and sour. It tastes like apple mango, yung hinog na apple mango. Yeah. Sweet and sour. Of course, sa can, guys, it tastes different. Pag fresh ones, it tastes better. Oh my God. Ang dami ko nakain prutas today. And the rest of this, guys, partner will make jam.
Cake.
Of course, and cake. You want to save me?
No, you.
I will not eat dinner na. Ang cute ng ano, guys, oh. Yung buto. Ang cute ng shape. Ganyan. Diba? Ano ba yan? And then it's like that talaga. Yeah, I will finish it. Just for the ano.
Yeah, for the next 5 hours, I won't see you anymore.
Yeah, I will be staying in the toilet.
So many fruits. Oh my God.
No, I ate just one or two.
Okay, let's see.
Yes. So yan ang problema, guys, pag madami kang nakain in one hour like this. My God. But you know, we enjoyed it. Did you enjoy, guys? Did you enjoy watching me? Hindi ko alam kung saan siya ma-compare. Kasi yung texture niya, it's like mango. Oh my God. Para ako na ano, guys. Nahihilo.
You want strawberries?
No!
No. Cherries.
He bought, ano pa, guys, cherries and strawberries and grapes. Tapos sabi ko, hindi ko yan i-include dito kasi we know already na naman yun. No. No. So, I have tried everything and my favorite lang is yung peach, of course. Ito, yung parang apple. This one, blackberries. The rest is, your partner is there. He can eat whenever.
Mirabelle.
Mirabelle only when it's a little bit green.
Yeah.
I don't like it when it's yellow. So, ayun po. Oh my God, ang sakit na ng tiyan ko. So guys, thank you po for watching. That would be all for today. And I hope you enjoyed our fruit mukbang. And guys, don't forget to share these videos. Thank you po so much for sharing our videos. And if you like this video, guys, please don't forget to click the like button. At sa mga hindi pa nakasubscribe, guys, please subscribe na po kayo. And thank you po so much for subscribing. Just click the subscribe button and bell button naman para kayo ma-notified every time meron tayong new uploads. Thank you po again, everybody. And until in my next vlog, ingat! Cheers! Cheers. Oh my god.
Yeah, that's not.